everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to close apps on a Galaxy Watch 4. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So just like your smartphone, with your Galaxy Watch 4, when you open an app, it's going to remain open in the background until you close it, okay? It's a very, very convenient feature. It allows you, if you constantly use the same apps, it allows them to load up a little bit faster and be ready to use and have the data available and ready. But at the same time, if you have so many apps open, it might slow the watch down. I'm not sure, but it might. It might use battery. I'm not sure what the answer to that is, but it very well might slow it down and use up battery power. And maybe you just want to clear it all and just close all the apps. So here's how you do it. From your home screen, you're going to swipe up to access your app menu over here. There's this little thing with like this sort of bluey color with like these two circles. There's a blue circle and a white circle. You're going to tap that right there at the top. And as you can see, these are all of your open apps. For each individual app, let's say I wanted to close the settings app, I can swipe it up just like that. Or if you wanted to close all of the apps, instead of swiping it up like that, you could go all the way to the left and there's an X there that says close all. So if I wanted to close all of the apps, I could tap that right there, close all, and all of my apps are now closed. That's it. It's literally that simple. So if I open up this right here, you can see it says no recently used apps because I didn't use up any apps right now. I just closed them all. If let's say I was to open up an app, so I'm going to open up the contacts app here. It says contacts, no contacts. I have no contacts stored in this device at this moment. If I go back to the home screen, okay, and now I go to my apps, you can see that's open. So I can swipe that one away and I've now cleared all the apps. So if I click that again, no recently used apps. There you go. It's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.